Hello, Virginia High. This is Catherine Giesler.
Amelia Sloan, and this is a report of your Bearcat News.
We want to congratulate Justin Grimm and the Chicago Cubs for winning the World Series last night.
For those of you who don't know Justin, he has a pitcher for the Cubs, and he is from Virginia High, and he was here from 2004 to 2007.
He is also the first player from our area to be a part of a World Series championship team.
So congratulations to Justin Grimm. Is that over?